जो हमारा प्री स्कूल है दैट्स अ प्ले बेस्ड स्पेस। पाकिस्तान में आपको प्रीडोमिनेटली दो तरह के प्री स्कूल्स मिलते हैं। द फर्स्ट काइंड इज़ द वन जहाँ पे बच्चे राइट फ्रॉम द ऑनसेट एकेडमिक एक्टिविटीज़ में इंगेज करते हैं। रीडिंग, राइटिंग, असाइनमेंट्स, होमवर्क, एग्जाम्स, दे स्टार्ट राइट फ्रॉम द डे दैट दे स्टेप इन टू द प्री स्कूल. And then some more progressive schools refer to their preschools as activity based spaces जहाँ पे वो खेल खेल में बच्चों को बहुत कुछ सिखाने का promise करते हैं. The children do engage in a lot of sensory activities, they do some art activities, some science activities, but in the end, even in those spaces, you'd see that the teacher is deciding everything. The teacher decides how the day is going to be organized. बच्चे जो हैं दे ऑल एंगेज इन द सेम काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़, चाहे वो कटिंग पेस्टिंग है या वो कोई वाटर बेस्ड एक्टिविटी है. द चिल्ड्रन डोंट हैव अ से इन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ दैट लाइक टू एंगेज इन मोर. एंड जो उनकी अपनी क्यूरासिटी है, जो उनके अपने आइडियाज़ हैं, दे आर नॉट इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन टू द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. Whereas if you look at a child away from classroom setting, you'd see that the children are full of curiosity, they love to talk, they love to engage with each other, they like to explore the world in a very tactile manner, and they love to learn from their experiences. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल्स के अंदर स्टूडेंट टू टीचर रेशो ऐसी होती है कि द टीचर्स आर नॉट लेफ्ट विद मच ऑफ एन ऑप्शन बट टू वांट टू कंट्रोल द चिल्ड्रन. सो यूड सी अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोल मैकेनिज्म्स इन प्लेस राइट फ्रॉम द स्कूल प्री स्कूल, जहाँ पे आप बच्चों से कहते हैं कि दे हैव टू वॉक इन स्ट्रेट लाइन्स, all of them must be sitting on their chairs, on their assigned chairs, and working on worksheets at the same time. So by doing so, प्री स्कूल बिकम्स दैट स्टेज जहाँ पे बच्चे की स्पिरिट को कम्प्लीटली ब्रेक किया जाता है, उसकी इनर क्यूरोसिटी को इम्पीड किया जाता है और उसकी इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉलोइंग एबिलिटीज़ को बिल्ड किया जाता है. एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग that we question, and this is something that we actively work against by designing a learning space which definitely allows for the curiosity and a child to flourish. For us at Edopia, preschool ke baad we have elementary years, and elementary years is that stage in life for a child where they are formally taught how to read and write, and we work on building their foundation in literacy and mathematics, because we feel that a strong foundation in these areas is going to help children access a lot of learning in other disciplines. However, unlike other schools, जहाँ पे reading writing starts right at the age of 3, for us that starts 5 and above. And as children progress from one level to another, their skills are further refined and worked on. Right from the onset, children at Edopia engage in inquiry-driven projects, which are transdisciplinary units, जिनमें you do see aspects of literacy, science, social sciences, and arts. And ये preschool से इनकी journey start होती है of inquiry-based learning, and it goes all the way till grade 8. Other than that, we do have some regular subjects after grade 1, like mathematics, Urdu, Islamiyat, which the children partake in. Grade 3 and above, the children get a chance to choose from a wide range of electives based on their interest. At Edopia, we do not force the children into any extracurriculars. Whenever they are going to choose anything other than the core subjects, they have a lot of voice and choice in determining how they're going to take on that subject and whether they're going to take a mix of subjects or focus more in depth in one area. Lastly, I feel that the children at Edopia have a very well-developed social life, which is something that is not experienced in other schools. The kind of schools that we went to, हमारी दिन में एक 20-minute की recess होती थी, and that used to be the only time where we'd engage with our friends. At all other times, we'd be sitting with someone whom we didn't get along with, or we wouldn't really talk to each other during the day as much as we did during the recess. But since the social life of the children is also an important part of their experience of schooling and how they engage with each other, how they resolve their conflicts, how they express themselves with each other, and how they negotiate their presence with each other is something that's very close to our heart. So therefore, their social life is also something that is embedded into the learning design of the school. So children do get to spend a lot of time with each other within the same age bands and also across ages. Our older children, they contribute to the school in a lot of ways. All the rules of the school are set democratically, so whenever a new rule is passed, it is taken to the children and the children vote on it and we co-construct our community life with the children at a lot of different levels. Other than that, children also have their own committees, and those committees have an integral role in how the school is run. So this is Edopia in a nutshell. We do aim to ensure that बच्चे, after going through this experience from preschool till grade 8, they are ready for their O levels, because that's the board that we have opted for. So from grade 9 till 11, our children do appear for their O levels, but O levels की जो तक की जो journey है, that is not solely an academic one. We are not teaching the children to testing alone, although we do try to make sure that they are prepared for their O levels by the time that they reach there. But our life at Edopia is far more vibrant than just exams, papers, assignments, and homework. And you'll get to know more about the school, inshallah, once you come and visit the school, or you engage with any of our students or their families to learn more about how we work. Having said all of this, I'd just like to add one small statement at the end, that Edopia is not a school for everyone. It is perhaps not the best school in the city. It is not a perfect system. It is a school of thought that happens to be different from a lot of other schools and systems that are out there. So if you're opting for Edopia, I would advise you to study our approaches in as much detail as possible. Ask as many questions as you want to, and in the end, make a very informed decision, because आप तभी satisfied होंगे जब कि जो कुछ हम यहाँ पे करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, that is aligned with your own personal learning values as well. Only then would you be able to make a decision that you're happy with for the years and years to come, because that is how schooling is, that once you make up your mind about it, you tend to stick to it for quite a few years after that. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was informative, and I hope it has made you think of new questions to ask, and we're here to answer all of those questions for you. So we are looking forward to meeting you and your family soon. Thank you so much for watching. ख्याल रखिएगा.